Police. There's somebody in my next door yard running around in the street with a gun shooting at about 2 houses down from me.
What is he wearing?
He's wearing a black shirt. It looks like dark gray shorts, black shoes.
911, this is Tiara. Do you need police, fire, or EMS?
We need a police. We need police. There's like a shootout outside my home in the middle of the street.
Okay, can you see anything, or you just hear gunshots?
Gunshots and people yelling.
Right there. At supper. Fucking walk. Come here. Who's screaming? Where's he at? Hey! Hey, get out of the way!
Shooting in my house and I got little kids, man.
Put the gun down! Hey, drop it!
You got
Who?
shooting in my house and I got little kids, man.
Who?
Put the gun.
Hey, drop it! Oh,